Write around caching is a high performance caching strategy. When the number of writes are significantly higher than the number of reads, this pattern helps to improve system performance. It has on-demand caching, which means the data is only loaded into the cache when it is requested. In the write flow, application will directly write to the database, which is the source of truth. This is where it is different from cache aside pattern, in which the data is saved to both cache as well as the database. However, the read flow is exactly same as cache aside pattern. Application will fetch the data from cache. If it is found that is cache hit, it will return the data. If it is not found, that is cache miss, it will fetch the data from database and save it to the cache with certain TTL in a synchronous or asynchronous manner. Some of the applications include log aggregation system, time series data, etc. It supports high number of writes because the data is directly written into the database. And it also prevents cache pollution because only the requested data will be loaded into the cache. It is not suitable for read after write pattern. Consider user profile. When we update certain field, we want to read it immediately back. Over there, cache aside pattern works better. It has slow reads after the first write because the data is read from the database, and it will also provide some stale data when there is data already present for a cache key into the cache and new data is returned for that cache key into the database. Until the TTL expire, it will serve the stale data. So this is the high performance high write caching strategy.